Welcome to this video tutorial for eProject Express, also known as ePX. In this video, we will review how to download the ePX project data template and how to complete the template. Once the project initiator has initiated a new project in eProject Express, the next step is for the project builder to download the ePX project data template and enter the project data. The template is a one-page Excel file, which is the tool you would use to enter project data into the ePX database. The project initiator and the project builder should work together to complete the template and determine when the data is complete and ready for upload to ePX. Log in to eProject Express at eprojectbuilder.lbl.gov using the verification code sent to your email address. Once you are logged in, you can download the ePX project data template from the links available on the homepage, portfolio page, or project dashboard. If your organization is a participant of the U.S. Department of Energy ESPC campaign, select ePX ESPC campaign template from the download menu. Only select this template if your organization is an ESPC campaign participant. All other users should choose ePX template from the download menu. This file is the standard ePX project data template. Be sure to name and save the template with a name and location that will allow you to identify the correct file for uploading to the system. The fields in yellow are where you will enter your data. Fields in gray are pre-populated based on information provided when the project was initiated and cannot be edited. Please note that none of the fields on the template are required for upload. However, the numerical indicators in the corner of each cell, 1, 2, or 3, show which fields you might want to prioritize. Users who are completing the ESPC campaign color-coded template will also see fields highlighted in blue. These are the fields that the ESPC campaign is prioritizing for data collection from campaign participants. The data fields are the same for both templates. For this video, I will be demonstrating the standard template, and I will quickly outline the general sections of the template. For more detailed information about individual fields, see the Field Definitions Guide available on our Help and Documentation page under Training Documentation. The Field Definition Guide provides specific information on how to complete all of the fields on the template. The top of the template includes contact information for various roles related to your project. The project administrator or owner's representative. The owner, sometimes referred to as the customer, which typically takes the project initiator role in ePX. The ESCO or project builder, project financial advisor, and primary financier or lending institution. Note that the owner and ESCO contact fields are pre-populated based on information provided when the project was initiated and cannot be edited. The project identification section includes the pre-populated project name, location, and market segment, as well as a place to enter the purchase order number or task order number, owner's contract number, and agency name. The financing terms section includes the project agreement type, which must be selected from the drop-down menu. This section also includes the contract execution date, information about primary and secondary financing, interest rate, finance term, performance period, and plan guarantee and planned M&V years. Under Serving Utilities, you can indicate the primary utilities associated with your project's primary location, including electricity, natural gas, water, and other heating sources. The Other Field section includes information on the project's diversity requirements, solar PV capacity, estimated job impacts, and whether or not an escalation rate table is saved to the document section. Please see the footnotes at the bottom of the template or the field definitions list to help you calculate the job impacts. The GHG savings section captures all of your project estimated GHG savings, including CO2, CH4, SOx and NOx, and total annual carbon reduction. Please see the footnotes or the Field Definitions Guide to help you calculate the estimated GHG savings. The customized data fields can be customized to your needs. Enter the description for each user-defined data field and an associated value. Examples of what you might track here include the use of particular grants, program or utility incentives, or state or local project requirements. In the Project Measures and Non-Facility Measures section, you can use the checkboxes to indicate which measures apply to your project. Under Project Characteristics, you can track data on your project, including the number and list of sites and buildings in the project, total floor area of the project, and average annual consumption of electricity, natural gas, heating fuel, and water. This section is also where you can include the implementation period of the project and the total contracted price of the IGA. The project capitalization section includes the total implementation price, which is the total investment amount required to fulfill the complete work of the project, excluding financing and interest costs and performance period M&V pricing. In this section, you can also include the amount of any incentives, amount financed, total contract payments, and first year and full term M&V price. The start and end dates of the performance period are also included in this section. The projected result summary is where you will enter the annual estimated unit savings and cost savings for electricity, natural gas, water, and heating fuel, as well as annual and total estimated cost savings and annual and total guaranteed cost savings. The project builder or ESCO can work with the owner or customer or project initiator to complete the project data template. The Excel template file can be shared by email or by other means to ensure the data is correct and ready to enter into the system. Be sure to save a copy of your completed template in the project documents section. Information on uploading your completed template and viewing and editing your project data is available in a separate video in this series. To see all of the videos in this series, see the mini training section under training and informational videos on our help and documentation page at eprojectbuilder.lbl.gov/help.